are there wires?
What? Well, I assume we don't need those because this one doesn't have anywhere to put them.
And they're not attached to anything.
We're here with the RX-8 because we need to fix something. So this bad boy has got a nice split. Not sure if you can see it, but just there, it's actually split. So yeah, it's driving us home, and yeah, a bunch of steam was pissing out. We're gonna have some fun, aren't we, Jeffrey?
Yep.
What do we got, Jeff?
My name is Jeff.
So, we have a coolant reservoir from, I don't know, HC Speed. That's cool.
And it's not plastic. Hopefully this one lasts. I was expecting it to be like shiny, like chrome or silver. Not like that. So we got to put that there. Well, let's pull the old one out then, I guess.
Yeah.
So we're hoping to be able to do this without having to take the battery out, but we can't actually get it past where the battery is sitting because there's like a big bit underneath that goes underneath this bar here. So yeah, we're gonna have to pull the battery out and then we can pull this out. Yes, the joys of Japanese engineering. Battery's out and Jeffrey's getting his hands dirty down there. Let's turn the light on and see. There we go. It probably helps you as well.
Yeah.
So just got to disconnect hoses, pull this out, put the new one in, connect the hoses, put the battery back in, we're good to go. Certainly on there.
Gotcha.
Oh, nice and juicy. This is probably the easiest job I've ever done on a car. Much easier when someone else does it. There we have the old one.
Not too dirty, it's always good.
Why are there wires?
What? Well, I assume we don't need those because this one doesn't have anywhere to put them.
And they're not attached to anything.
Bit random, but
we will ignore that.
never happened. Nice.
Just need 2 bolts.
Yep.
And to run this hose.
Easy as that. We've got a shiny new cap as well.
In a bag that I can't wear.
3 hours later.
Alright.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get this battery back in and see if it starts.
Yes.
Also need to put some more coolant in there. It lives! It's running! Now it's giving us some water. Why can't everything be this easy?
Exactly. If only.
So this one you do have to sort of try and twist and stuff, like it's pretty durable, so don't worry, you're not going to break it. Yeah, there you go. Awesome.
Beautiful.
So I used to have a cover for the battery as well, but I got sick of it, so I just got rid of it.
That works.
Nice. Well, should we take it for a drive?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. So sometimes when you pull the battery out of an RX-8 and you restart it, you'll get some lights on your dash. And you see the traction control lights off as well. Funnily enough, the automatic window thing doesn't work either. It will correct itself after time. Comes back.
That's weird.
It's very weird. So this is your first RX-8 experience, isn't it?
It is, yes.
Rotaries are a different animal.
Yeah, so I've heard.
Especially with no power steering. Feels weird driving with no paddles.
Yeah, it would. Especially after getting out of the GTR.
Oh, fucking turn. So you can pretty much drive this car around town just in first gear.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It's got a very long first gear.
And and the red line's at 9,000. So you can do up to 65 k's an hour, and then it'll start beeping at you to change gears.
Yeah, wow, okay. Yeah, power steering's helpful.
Yep, it makes a huge difference.
Yeah.
Feels like I'm driving a tank at the moment. All right, we have arrived at Supercheap Auto.
We have.
Let's get some stuff.
Mm.
So we went to Supercheap, we got the things.
We did, checked out a toolbox.
We did, it was beautiful. We're not going to get it though because it's too much money.
Yep.
All right, let's see if we have power steering this time.
Mm.
We don't have power steering. Everything else has come back though. So
Next time.
yeah, see, auto window works now.
Yeah, okay.
So we got the new reservoir in, the old cracked one is out. Everything seems to be working just fine. We still have no power steering, but that's an unrelated issue which we will hopefully be fixing next weekend. Shout out to Jeff for helping me out with today. If you liked this video, then make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one.